Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I called him, he was not at home. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. She is tired, she will not stop working. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. You can either take tea, coffee. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. He started running, he was late. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. She went to the market, bought vegetables. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. I like mangoes, I do not like apples. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. We stayed inside, it was cold outside. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. I cannot go out, I am sick. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. I will help you, you need it. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. She worked hard, she passed the exam. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. We can't play outside, it is raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. He was sleepy, he continued reading. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. I was tired, I went to sleep. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. She studied hard, she wanted to top the class. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. You can come with us, stay at home. Option C is the correct answer.